Second opinion, after starting washing machine pours a little water on clothes and begins sensing cycle, locks lid, and begins turning drum. Normally this stage would continue for a couple minutes adding a little more water while turning drum. But now the sensing light remains green, and after several clicks instead of continuing to sense and add water on top of clothing for several more turns before filling the drum with water for wash cycle, everything just stops. Sensing light remains green and lid remains locked and nothing more happens. I also found out the only way to unlock lid is to unplug the machine at this point, and after plugging back in the lid unlocks, and I can see the clothes are barely wet. I tried plugging and unplugging machine through all the different cycles available and wash sizes, and the above process begins again then shuts down after turning the drum and adding a bit more water each time. Is there any way to skip the sensing cycle and go right to filling with water and begin the desired washing/draining/spinning cycles?
Is your washer top or front loading? How old is it?
Top loading and around 7 to 8 years old as I can recall.
How long has this been going on with your washer? What have you tried so far?
Just about a week ago from now and had one opportunity to click on rinse and spin setting, but that no longer works either. And it seems after this above opportunity where it soaked all the clothes, rinsed. But the spin didn't extract water, so I had to put soaking wet clothes into dryer a little at a time so as not to damage the Amana dryer.
Is there anything else the appliance expert should know before I connect you? Rest assured that they'll be able to help you.
Not really, as long as you completely understand all that I've described. I currently have the washing machine half full of water that I added in hopes of avoiding damage to the clothing with a liquid detergent concentrated at the bottom of the drum, while they soaked overnight in a high concentration of detergent and water combination.
My name is Woody. I'm sorry to hear that you're having issues with your appliance. I understand how frustrating that must be. So hopefully we can get this resolved quickly. Note, however, I'll also be assisting you along with other customers, so there may be a delay in my responses, so do not panic, just wait for my reply. May I have the appliance's full model number right off the actual appliance itself, please? And you most likely have an electronic control board issue that will need to be replaced. Hello.
I'm sorry, Woody, but I've come to the conclusion the Amana washer needs to be replaced. Somehow I finally got it to work in the drain and spin cycle. I can hear the plastic teeth grinding badly in the gears trying to shift from low to a higher speed during the spin cycle. So the machinery as well as electronics are all failing, leaving me only the above option. Thanks again for your assistance, and this will conclude our chat sessions. Please pass this to all involved, THX.
No problem. Always glad to assist you anytime. If you need me again for any other issues, you can request me. Master Tech. Have a safe rest of the week and weekend. I have to be the last to post or the question will not close. Thank you. Stay safe. Woody.
Now that the cards I have pretty much played themselves out, I wish to not pursue this matter any further. Thanks.
No problem.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.